Introduction. Hey, connect to World Pals. Today, let's delve into a crucial topic and explore the term HIV. It's not just an acronym. There's more to this term. Let's talk about health, awareness, and the impact of HIV on individuals and communities. Meaning. So, HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It's a virus that attacks the immune system, specifically the CD for cells T cells, weakening the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Usage. Imagine discussions about HIV prevention, treatment, and raising awareness to promote health and well-being. Examples. Think of efforts to reduce the transmission of HIV through safe practices, regular testing, and access to antiretroviral therapy. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ʻviː, a term that underscores the importance of health, education, and community support, right? Different uses. Ever heard of HIV/AIDS awareness campaigns? They play a crucial role in educating the public, reducing stigma, and promoting safe practices. Conclusion. If the topic of HIV holds significance for you, or if you believe in spreading awareness, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more informative word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.